Welcome to this episode of Screwdrivers Anonymous. Yes, I have a problem. I probably have about 10 of these mini kits. This one, though, is, I have to say, stands out above the rest. First of all, it's beautifully and efficiently and logically cased. So, a quick press. The box comes out revealing the bits. These appear to be S2 steel, which is of the highest quality, and the pièce de résistance is the extra long bits. Those, a lot of times you can't get down in a recess with these short bits. These are really nice, and not many sets come with these long bits. There's two. There's the Torx, and then there's your Phillips and flathead. Now, press of the magic button, and out pops an electric screwdriver that's very unique. So forward, backward, and then here we have, it's on 5 right now. Quick press goes to 1, and you can hear it's slower than 2, a little faster. 3, 4, 5. On 5, I could not stop the bit from turning with my hand, which indicates a good deal of torque for something this slim and thin. I didn't see a light. Is there a light in there? Some of them come with a light. Maybe I have to press and hold. Oh, there we go. Pressing and hold reveals, wow, one of the brighter lights that I've seen on a screwdriver. So yeah, this tiny thing honestly has it all. I guess to turn off the light, you press, wow. Just great. Having 5 speeds is awesome, especially when you're working on delicate electronics. You don't want to strip those irreplaceable tiny fasteners. And everything fits in this really neat case, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Like I said, the bits are S2 steel. They seem to be very precisely machined, and this is an awesome case to keep everything in. I really like this. I think, considering the price point, it's a great bargain. I approve.
This is the Traveling Engineer, and today I'm going to review a rather cool screwdriver kit from Amazing Flower. Kind of an odd name, but the product is really pretty neat. Sometimes you have things that are very innovative and stylish, and then sometimes you have products that are very useful. This one sits right there and intersects both categories. I really like this thing. So what is it? Well, it's a screwdriver kit, and I do a lot of IT. I have to open phones, I have to open cameras, I have to open computers, and you don't know what bit you're going to need. I have Macs, I have PCs. It's amazing the different types of screws that are out there. This is going to probably have most of those. It's not as complete as some other kits I've seen, where they're very big, they're bulky, they fold and you store them in your toolbox. I've got one of those, but for something that goes in the backpack or in the desk drawer, this is fantastic. So it's self-contained. I really like that. You push here, and you can see that the inside caddy comes out. I'll come up here a little closer. There are 42 bits, and they're all magnetic, and they're all mounted in here magnetically. So for instance, if I wanted to get a bit, say this one, which I used on my Mac yesterday, you just pull it out, and then of course it snaps in with a magnet. Now, the screwdriver is also built in. So this button right here, you see that USB-C port? You push this button and it releases the built-in hidden screwdriver, which I just thought was really cool. So you put the bit in, you have tighten, loosen, and then you have 5 different torque settings right here. So very useful. It's kind of one of those adages. The screwdriver you have with you is worth a whole lot more than the screwdriver you have at home that has 100 times more bits. So this is extremely useful. This will live in my bag when I'm going to fix people's computers. This will probably spend most of its time in my desk drawer because I'm opening things all the time. I love that it's self-contained. It's sort of self-organizing in that it's all the magnetic, and then when you put it back together, it's not going to come apart. It's not going to unfold. You're not going to see all kinds of bits floating around in your desk drawer. So 5 stars for this. Definitely something that I'm going to be using. Thank you for your time.